Hello students, next topic is how saving affects growth. How saving affects growth. Here we have two axes. On the horizontal axis we have taken capital per worker and on the vertical axis we have taken investment and depreciation. This is our investment function in which the initial saving rate is given as S1 and this is our depreciation curve represented by delta K. This intersection point of these two curves is the initial steady state, this one, and K1 star is the initial steady state level of capital. At this level of capital stock, investment is equal to depreciation. So we can write delta K1 star equals to S1 F K1 star, that is depreciation equals to investment. Okay. Now suppose that in an economy saving rate increases. So as the saving rate increases from S1 to S2, this investment curve will shift upwards in this way. Okay. Now observe that due to increase in saving rate, investment level increases. That means at the initial steady state level of capital stock, that is at K1 star, investment level is higher. So this is our new investment level at K1 star, which is S2. This is our new saving rate, S2 FK1 star. Because amount of investment exceeds the amount of depreciation, capital stock will rise until it reaches the new steady state, that is K2 star. At K2 star, steady state level of capital and steady state level of output is higher than the old steady state. This K2 star will be achieved at this intersection point of new investment curve and depreciation curve, which is this one. And again, amount of depreciation is equal to amount of investment, that is delta K2 star equals to S2 FK2 star. The Solow model shows that saving rate is a key determinant of the steady state capital stock. If saving rate is high, the economy will have a large capital stock and a high level of output in the steady state. However, if saving rate is low, the economy will have a small capital stock and a low level of output in the steady state. What does the Solow model say about the relationship between saving and economic growth? Higher saving leads to faster growth in the Solow model, but only temporarily. An increase in the rate of saving raises growth only until the economy reaches the new steady state. If the economy maintains a high saving rate, it will maintain a large capital stock and a high level of output, but it will not maintain a high rate of growth forever. Policies that alter the steady state growth rate of income per person are said to have a growth effect. By contrast, a higher saving rate is said to have a level effect because only the level of income per person, not its growth rate, is influenced by the saving rate in the steady state. Thank you.